Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch if you have the screen lock protection enabled on it. Before we start, this method only works if you have the screen lock protection enabled on your watch. Also, you will need to have the charger provided with your watch. You will need it to continue the resetting process. So let's continue with the reset. First, let's press and hold the side button to open the emergency menu, this one. And once you open this menu, press and hold the crown button. And after a second or two, you should see the message saying connect to a power source to proceed. That's why we need the charger. We need to plug in our watch into a charger. And once you do, you will get the message that you can erase all content and settings. Now, tap on the reset button to confirm. Then tap on reset button again to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this animation on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.